Hello, so we've been talking about stinging nettle and the benefits of stinging nettle and all the things that we can make. So we've done a lot of internal and now we're doing external. Stinging nettle is fabulous for oily skin and pimples. So simple to make your own toner at home is the fact that it's an anti-inflammatory. I know, it's weird, isn't it? That the acid that it injects into you when it's fresh causes irritation. When it gets put through a process, which is heat, turns into an anti-inflammatory. The best thing about it though, for oily skin, it's an astringent, which means it helps to clean out the pores. It helps to clean the dirt out of the oil, helps to remove oil from the skin without stripping, without drawing. It's just a cleaner. It's also got anti-inflammatory qualities. So, and of course, with pimples and acne, you have a lot of inflammation. So, which is the redness around the pimples and acne. So it helps to calm that down. It's also got antibacterial properties in it as well. So it's going to help with any infection. Dried or fresh? So let's go with dry, because we're not after the folic acid, so it doesn't need to be fresh. And of course, because it's dried, I'm not getting any stings. Now it's about half a cup, and my little teapot here fits about half a cup in it. Boil the kettle. Now I have spoken about water and bacteria before, so there's quite a lot of bacteria in water, so it's super important that you actually boil your water. Put it straight in. Now we want this to steep for about 20 minutes. It's also fabulous too. Also, what's really good for pimples too is going from the inside as well by drinking nettle tea, which is exactly this. Wonderful. So now that your stinging nettle has cooled down, the whole point that we are using a stinging nettle infusion is because it's going to help clean your skin, calm it down. There's also other ingredients you can put into it too to help clean your skin, and that's witch hazel. Now I have a certified organic witch hazel, which is fantastic for the skin. So just depending on your allergies, if you just want to do straight stinging nettle, you can. Straight stinging nettle, do test patch before you use. So you simply get your 250 ml bottle. We're putting in 100 mils of certified organic witch hazel. And then we want to pour in our infusion, our stinging nettle infusion. So 150 mils, because we've got a 250 ml bottle, and here we go. Pour it in. It's that simple. You can add other ingredients if you'd like. For example, you can add apple cider vinegar if you like, just a little bit, like a couple of drops. You can also add a couple of drops of essential oil. I'd only put in 1 or 2 drops in 250 ml, like tea tree or lavender. Shake. Make sure you shake your toner. All natural products, well, mine anyway, don't have any chemicals in there that help to combine all those molecules. So make sure you do shake before you use. So all you have to do is simply pop it onto a microfiber. Now I really like microfiber because it also helps in aiding taking off your sunscreen, taking off your makeup, your dirt, your oil. I want you to go in there. I want you to go all over your face, down your neck too. If you've got pimples on your back, do your back as well. Hop in the shower. So do that before the shower. In the shower, I want you to scrub. And scrubbing will help to dig out those pores, but use something very gentle like a jojoba wax bead, something that's going to melt and moisturize. Don't use nut shells, don't use sand, definitely don't use like any oyster shells or anything like that. Then when you hop out of the shower, I want you to tone again. This second toning is going to help disinfect those pores and close them, because don't forget, it's got antibacterial qualities in it, the stinging nettle. It's got antibacterial, it's got antioxidants, it's got all those wonderful magnesium, calcium and iron, which is all going to help to clear up your skin naturally. Now, don't forget, just because it's natural doesn't mean that you won't have a reaction. People have reaction to water. People have reaction to honey. So hopefully you know what you're good with and what you're not. If not, just test patch here first. Now, I almost forgot. With your leftover stinging nettle, this is the inside and outside coming together. Drink it for those antioxidants. Cheers. Oh, delicious. I love stinging nettle. It's without honey or anything. So this, magnesium, iron, calcium. I can taste that vitamin C. Amazing. I love it. So cheers, inside and out. Don't forget, look after yourself, and you can do this at home. You are completely smart enough. I'll see you next time. Wonderful. So I'm actually offering a little kit that you can make your own toner yourself at home. So in your kit, you get your instructions, of course. You also get your 250ml bottle that you'll be blending. It's already got the 100 mils of certified organic witch hazel in there. Very hard to get, I must say. It's got a little dropper on the top. It's labelled. You also get your gorgeous stinging nettle from our property. You saw us harvesting and drying. And you also get a week's supply of these beautiful microfiber pads that you pop the toner on, clean away. So I'll have a link to this video at the bottom where you can pop on our website and buy your DIY kit, because you are smart enough to do it yourself. Your toner should last for 1 week in the fridge.